Make sure that you already purchased the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch the NBC True Crime without having YouTube TV base plan first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click the store icon over here. And then under the networks and add-ons, you want to click on YouTube TV option over here. And then you want to buy the YouTube TV base plan by paying for 68 bucks per month, and you can get YouTube TV base plan. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even your PayPal. And after you bought the YouTube TV base plan subscription to watch the true crime, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to the top right of the screen again, but this time click on the search icon and then typing in for true and then just the true crime. And then here you can start to watch the live session from the NBC True Crimes, or formerly known as American Crimes, or NBC LX. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.